Welcome and thanks for tuning in to this episode of Conversations with the Wastewater Whisperer, Lewis Titus of Titus Wastewater Solutions. When you mix the Lagoon, when you mix this, how does this frame it in context of why is all that air so important for treating or dealing with sludge?
Well, it takes, we're dealing with sludge with bacteria basically. So the volatile sludge, again, we can't affect non-volatiles. Non-volatiles are like a pile of ashes. They won't burn up anymore. What we're trying to do is keep the volatile suspended and elevate the dissolved oxygen, try to keep it, 1.5 or better. 2 or 3 is even better. And when the dissolved oxygen levels are elevated like that, number one, the smell goes away. The bugs are happy. They're going nuts. They got lots of solids that they can feed on, and we're actually keeping those solids suspended and giving the bugs something to eat. And so it's all about keeping bugs happy. And when you get really good mixing, number one, your dissolved oxygen levels are going to be pretty stable from the bottom clear to the top. So for instance, when we're doing facultative lagoons, a lot of times we don't touch the sludge layer, we leave it intact, but we raise the DO levels all the way to the bottom to the top of that sludge layer. So the bacteria in the water can actually act on that sludge from the top down, and it's anaerobically digesting from the bottom up. And eventually all your all your volatile solids are gone. If we're trying to suspend them all, a lot of times we literally just keep these things moving into the sludge piles and keep them suspended and broke up. I have a project going to Washington right now. Just got off the phone with them a minute ago, and they had about 7-8 feet of sludge in their pond, and they've got 2 of my aerators in there, and they run it off a DO meter. They watch the DO meter, and the DO meter will climb up to about 7 milligrams per liter. And when it gets up there, they move it and they pull it right into that sludge pile, and they start suspending that sludge. And the DO levels will drop because now there's a lot more BOD in the water. Sludge is BOD. So once you break it up and suspend it, your DO levels will drop. But as long as you're maintaining, that plus 1.5 or so, you're going to keep those bugs happy, and you're eventually going to get rid of all that sludge. So it's a little bit of an extended process, but it's much cheaper to do it that way than it is to try to remove the sludge and haul it off, dewater it, and try to dispose of it.